Everyone, my name is Luke. This is the one, the only, the beautiful Susie. Thank you very much for tuning in for this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where it is time for mail. So Susie has selected the 3 packages to open up here. I tell you what, everyone, as always, I'm just blown away by everyone's generosity. Thank you all so much. Wow.
Wow is right. It's always a wow. Anytime I go check our post office box, it's always wow. You guys are so awesome. And I'm really drawn to this one right here, mainly because I see coffee on it.
It says coffee or die.
That's my motto.
It really, she has a tattoo that says that.
I don't, but...
The first package comes from Russell. Oh, Russell, thank you so very much. We will open this from the bottom. Why is that, everyone? Why is that, Susie? Because I can.
You're a rebel.
That's right. Russell, my friend, what have you sent us?
Russell likes to hook us up with coffee.
What's that?
What is this? Ooh, look at that.
Whoa. So it's the OD Compact Dripper. That is sweet. This is a Montbell product.
So you can take this out with you. Some of this coffee. This is Black Rifle Coffee Company. We've tried many different blends from this company. And this is the Beyond Black blend.
Russell, thank you so much, buddy. I really, really appreciate this.
Yeah.
This dripper is really, really lightweight.
I will read through this real quick.
Okay.
Luke found this really cool pour-over coffee dripper and decided to get you one to try out and maybe review. Just follow the picture instructions. It works really well for only weighing 0.8 ounces. After use, turn it inside out, brush or rinse off, let dry. Make sure you twist the spring wire in a figure 8 when folding to put away. The coffee is awesome stuff also. Hope you and Susie are doing well along with the kid. Keep your matches dry. Russell.
Russell, thank you so much, buddy. You are the man. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
P.S. The dripper came from Bighorn Outfitters in Great Falls, Montana. You have their permission to give them a shout out.
Here's a shout out to Bighorn Outfitters in Montana. Hopefully we will see you all next year.
Right.
And I'm really talking more about the state. I don't know if we'll see them or not, but...
Yeah, I don't know where they are, but we're definitely going to be visiting Montana, so...
Wow. Russell, thank you so much, buddy.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. This coffee is amazing.
Any smells, by chance? Can you smell anything?
I am smelling a little bit.
You know, when it comes to Susie's motto, it really is coffee or die. She wakes up and she's like, puppy, I want coffee. She does.
Now you're gonna have to explain like the whole puppy thing and why I call you that, so...
Okay.
Anyway, maybe we should just move on.
We'll explain it another day. All right, this one's for you all. Sniff test, go ahead. Fontenant? Sorry.
Bottom again.
Why do I do this?
Because he can. What if you shouldn't though?
I've never had an instance of where I shouldn't open it from the bottom. It's always paid off big time.
Today's the day.
Whoa.
Oh my.
We can obviously use this with
all
that.
Of that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
What do we have there?
This is Community Coffee House Blend. Here's the signature blend, the dark roast.
Ooh.
Yum.
I'll go ahead. Let you guys try. Sniff test. Sniff test.
And here's coffee and chicory. A lot of
Okay.
people drink chicory if they want to get off of coffee.
Oh. Why on earth would you want to get off of it? I've gone off of it, and it was the worst mistake I've ever made.
Coffee or die. You have 2 options here.
Fontenant, hopefully we're saying that right. Thank you so very much. One of the coolest things about the channel here is like the relationships that we've been able to form. Like, I look at you all as my family. I expect you guys to tell me what you think honestly. They expect for us to do the same. You know, it's funny, it's like we get approached by so many companies that are willing to pay us like thousands of dollars. And oftentimes it's in exchange for your information. And we say, no way.
It's really shady, some of the practices that businesses choose to participate in to get their products sold, and yeah, we're not going to participate that because that's really unfair, and I would not like it. I would not support anyone that did that to my information. So
All I will say is this: if you're watching another YouTube channel and they're talking about a product and they give you a link that's not like a direct link to a product, let's say it's something from Montbell. It should be montbell.com/whatever. If it's one of those shortened links, there could be all sorts of tracking things that capture your information. And we've had companies, I don't think they really care if their products are sold. They want that information. So just be careful what you click on. Getting off track completely. Thank you guys for all that you do for us. We do appreciate it. Let's check out this package, which is from
Amazon.
It's from Amazon.
All right, let's test your theory about the bottom always works out.
Whoa.
Whoa. So they're signed Sven, and he says he loves watching your videos. Your positive attitude inspires me on tough nights in the ER. I hope you can find time to read some of my book and enjoy the snacks.
My friend, it is my honor to read this book.
Yeah, that's so cool. So on the back, I think it sums it up perfectly. Arctic Sven, Finding Key, the true story of a young EMT school teacher who found inner harmony on the Appalachian Trail. Do you think your paths ever cross, maybe?
You never know.
Never know.
You never know. Like one day he would have passed this guy on the trail who looked tired and just kind of shuffled on by, and that was me. You never know. Or maybe he was the guy who shuffled by.
Yeah, and you didn't know.
I didn't know.
Anyway, this will be awesome to read. Appalachian Trail is very close to home.
Oh,
and,
yeah.
And anyway, this will be cool. So
It's funny, like what you can find when you step into the outdoors. It's life altering. It will put everything into perspective for you.
very true.
Yeah.
Very true. So let's see what kind of snacks you're going to be eating. Yum.
Wow, cool.
Very cool. All right, guys, that wraps up this episode of Viewer Mail. We want to say thank you again to everyone that sends in something. Thank you for your email, your message, your comment, whatever you do, your support. We appreciate every single bit of it.
Thank you all so much. Strength and honor. We will see you all next week with another Viewer Mail episode. Bye for now.
Bye.